Behold, the elevator at the Maynard Technology Center in Warwick Community College in Salisbury, Maryland. It was out of order like a few months ago. It was modernized with the same as fixture, but it used to have the old one. Speaking of which, yeah, that's a new as fixture. Let's try it. Yeah, I used my tablet to videotape this elevator before. Go to 3. Door close button works. I like that. Focus 2. And 3. So that's done. Let's go out to 1. See? Told you, it works. Let's get careful. Oh, there's the old floor indicator. Of course, I used my tablet before. Certificates here. Emergency phone button. Capacity is 3,000 pounds. And 1. Whoa! Man, shake. Yep, that's the old interlock up there. See? Whoa, the shaft looks so cool. Here's the old interlock. Much closed? Yep, back then they didn't have a floor indicator. That's it.